The airline industry is in an unprecedented growth era. That's directly translated into increased orders, record orders for many of our customers, which then directly translates for all of Spirit's programs.
We look at the replacement market driving the demand through the commercial sides. We just launched the MAX-10 with Boeing, which will address part of the demand and more market share for the 737. For the last 40, 50 years, the Wichita facility has provided about 70% of the structure for the 737. 10 years ago, the 737 was 21 a month. And that doubled about 8 years ago to 42 a month, and we're now at 47 and going higher.
Our site in Kinston, North Carolina is where we fabricate the composite pieces for the A350, both the center fuselage section as well as the spar, which is the main structural component of the wing. We then ship them to our facility in Saint Nazaire, France, where those panels are then assembled into the full composite fuselage structure that is delivered to Airbus. Over the course of the last several years, our production rate increase in Kinston has effectively doubled every year. Rate increases mean that we must do things more efficiently, we must do things in a quality focus, and we must continue to improve our overall factory performance.
In Prestwick, we're really experiencing some really strong growth. The A320 platform is increasing in rate. What we're seeing is really our customer looking at selling more airplanes. So we're seeing rate 52 move to rate 57. To accommodate the growth, we really need to invest in new technologies. So I've talked about the product itself, but it's also the manufacturing process. We need to move more in automation, need to do more in terms of how we tool the product appropriately, and how we make it simpler, break it down and engineer it so we can actually do it at a higher rate and more repeatable. The higher volume is also affecting Malaysia, but it is a slightly different approach in terms of what its strategy is. It's really a high quality, low cost facility. And in Malaysia we have plenty of room to grow. We can probably lay down a factory now that's 3 times the size of what we have today.
So across all of Spirit, we're seeing record increases in rate, and the experience and knowledge that we learn in working through this and establishing our capability and performance really sets the foundation for our future performance and our future needs of our customers across this industry. We believe as we get through this, it is the foundation that really will enable our future performance to whatever requirements and levels our customers need.